Hi guys, this is Raymond from EVOffer. Today we have our facelift Model 3 here. This is a 2021 Model 3. It comes with a standard electric tailgate. So we are introducing a foot sensor for this car and also for Model Y. They are pretty much the same. So let's try to demonstrate once. So it looks like our previous foot sensor. You just need to have a little slight kick inside and the foot sensor can activate. So this is pretty much very simple. The wiring is very simple as well. Installation takes around 30 minutes for first time installer. The most challenging part is to run the wire down, but that's basically it. Everything is plug and play. It will be available on our website. One more thing, we will have two options. One option is the easiest option. It allows you to do the opening and closing, but it doesn't have what we call the P-protection. What it means is if you back up and you stop it, and then you hit a curb, the trunk can still open. But with our another option with the P-protection, if you back up or go under the curb and then stop, it won't open. So there are two options. The one require what we call the P-protection, require you run the wire to behind the center console to plug into the CAN signal for decoding. Yeah, but that's a more expensive option. So it's up to you which option you will choose. So it will be available on our website soon. So stay tuned and thank you.